Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Providence, and today I'm back with another code tutorial. So today I want to show you how you can make SIerpinski triangle. I don't know if I pronounced correct, but actually this is fractal triangle. Fractal triangle which are subdivided by itself. Like you start by dividing triangle into three parts and then you keep subdividing the triangles. We are going to make 3D out of it. So first we are going to use Grasshopper with the help of an anomial loop. This is a plugin which you have to install, but I will show you how you can cluster your Grasshopper component to achieve it without the loop, without anomial plugin. Second part, of course, I want to take this to advance by using C#. So the first part will focus on Grasshopper itself, and the second part I could like to show you how you can do it in C#. Inside the Grasshopper. So this is it, and this is the code which I'm going to explain you down further. So let's start. So let's disable everything and we start from scratch. We disable, put it away from the canvas, then we start with fresh canvas. Let's put in ghost mode. We start by polygon. Okay, polygon. We put side. Let's put 3 side. And the size of polygon. First of all, let's extract this plane. I don't want to see the plane. I want to see only polygon. Okay, start with the size of polygon. Let's do 2000 maybe. Yeah, any size doesn't matter. Okay, now you can see it. Then we find the area to get the midpoint. So I want to have this pyramid. So extrude by point, extrude by point extruder. Okay, the point is this one, and what to extrude is this one. But first of all, let's move this point in Z direction before anything. Okay, the Z height could be the actual size of our polygon. Who cares? There's no need to take care about the height. So let's do it like this. So we have polygon. We have pyramid now, which we can change the side any way we want, but let's stick on pyramid. Sorry, let's make build up to mesh this component. So now we have done our build up into mesh. So what we are going to do is to bring anomial plugin. We bring a start rope and end rope. This is a start rope, but before anything, let's put a bicycle on so that you can read what I'm doing exactly. So this is the end rope. End rope, we need the data, we need iterations. Let's put 3 number of iteration 3 times. And what we need here, this is a boolean. Actually it is for restart, for refreshing. We don't need that, so it's directly supply this to make the rope. So now let's use the data we are getting. So first of all, find naked point, naked vertex, then check our naked points. We have 12. we are getting duplicate. Let's remove duplicate. Remove duplicate. So now we have 4 point. Okay, let's scale the let's scale the pyramid we are getting scale. This one, and make sure it is grafted, because we're gonna have many polygon as far we go. So this is it. Let's put it in a row. Okay, then disable this one. Now we are done. Okay, let's preview. Take all this and we preview to see the impact. But we are officially done. Our tutorial, the first part is done. Anything we are going to do, it is about visualization. So let's take this one. So what here I'm doing, I'm make sure that I join the mesh so that we have a single mesh, and then what I'm doing is making the mirror of the meshes I have. So that's it. I put stream filter so that I can have this effect of mirror or not. So that's it. Let's put many iteration as you can, and be careful for number of iteration. Your laptop will tend to be heavy for iterations. So this is it. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in part 2. But before I go, I promise you that I'm going to show you the way you can do it without any plugin. Let me show you quick way. Let's get rid. Delete them. Delete the loop. You don't need the loop. Okay. Separate the directory this. So what we are going to do, we're going to cross our results. So this will be input. This will be our input. Which will supply the buildups, and the output will be this one. So let's cluster this cluster. You can see it. You can copy many times as you can, and make sure you grafted. I supposed to receive mirror. Yeah, I supposed to receive mesh. Let me correct it. Put input as a build-up. No, I should put input as mesh. So, and output will be mesh, of course. Then here you must graft anything we are getting. So then we crust, make a crust. Then it's happening. You copy many times as you can. That's how you can achieve the goal. So, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.